Hello, fellow travelers. We're Gary and Wanda, a retired couple who love to travel, and we've never been more excited to share with you what we have planned. This fall, we're setting sail on a rare eastbound transatlantic cruise from Florida to Lisbon in Portugal on Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Seas. Usually cruise ships are repositioned westbound from Europe to the Caribbean in the fall, but this gets even better. Just days after arriving in Lisbon, we make our way to Barcelona, Spain, and board another Royal Caribbean ship, Voyager of the Seas, on a westbound transatlantic right back to where we started. It's like having two different adventures in one. We did our first transatlantic crossing last fall from Barcelona to Tampa on the Enchantment of the Seas, and we loved it so much that we knew we had to do it again. We loved those sea days. There's just something magical about being out in the open ocean. Here is an animated map of all the stops that we'll be making on both of our transatlantic cruises. If you love to travel as much as we do, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, where we plan to share many more videos of our upcoming back-to-back and east-to-west transatlantic adventures.